I'm Mike with Acme Concrete Raising and Repair. Today, we're at Northern Trust Bank in Barrington, Illinois, and we're going to be raising about 100 or so linear feet of sidewalks around the building here. We're going to be eliminating trip hazards and some uneven spots and fixing some pitch issues. And we're going to be doing that today with our Smart Lift system, which is a very clean, fast, non-invasive repair. Once we're done here in a few hours, this sidewalk is going to be ready for use unrestricted. And it's a Thursday here, it's about 9 o'clock in the morning. Bank is going to be opening up here shortly. We're going to be making these repairs with the bank open, conducting normal business. So we're going to be, causing very minimal disruptions here or delays to the bank. So the options with this concrete here for this customer was to, one, they could mudjack it, but mudjacking doesn't look very good and it doesn't last very long, so that wasn't an option. Or they could knock all this concrete out and replace it, and that is extremely invasive, very messy, noisy, dusty, and of course very expensive. So we're going to run through here today, and like I said, in a few hours this concrete is all going to be up, level, ready to go, and ready for use unrestricted. But we're going to show you kind of what's going on here real quick with the concrete, and then we're going to show you us actually lifting it. So let me show you the areas that we have here today. It's easy to see the trip hazards where the concrete has dropped along this curb, uneven spots all around here.